Hello, Calvin C here from Hong Kong, showing you what I've just found. I will show you how to transfer a coin, not a forced transfer, but a utility move to transfer a coin from classic palm to the other hand's nowhere palm, or in a hand washing motion. So this is how it looks like. You do any type of transfer, forced transfer or retention vanish, and then the exposed view is like this. I like doing this production right in front of the spectator's nose, like this. So let me show you how it is done, step by step. First, begin with classic palming a coin, any type of forced transfer that will end up there, and then in this hand washing motion, you will do at least 2 strokes. One is an open stroke diagonally like this, and the second stroke you will go first diagonally like this, and then it will go along the ring finger. You will see why very soon. You should do it in a smooth direction, smooth motion like this, so it's not like bang bang. It should go like this. You will in this motion, if I break it down, you will see 2 steps. Okay, the first is to shoot the coin here, right along the ring finger, the extension of it, and then along this line, when the coin reaches the base of the ring finger, it will start curling in to grab the coin. But you won't do it like bang, bang, bang like this, all in a smooth motion, okay, to cover it up. First stroke, second stroke, shoot and grab, and don't stop here and separate, and keep going to point and show your hand like this. Show your hand like this. So if I try to do as smooth as I can, stroke, stroke, grab. Oh, sorry, I missed a step. Stroke, 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 shoot, aim, and grab, and then finish it in this smooth motion. Keep your fingers spread as you always do when you do the nowhere palm, and do this right under the spectator's nose so that they will see. Usually when you do the nowhere palm, people don't really care that much, and you don't have a reason to show your hand like this, okay? But if you grab it right in front of their nose, they can see it. And you've got a reason to do it because you're grabbing an imaginary coin. With the other hand, show your palm empty without saying it, and then take it and then throw it up. Aim at here, not here, okay? Aim at here, and then close your fingers, throw it up, and then you get this production. Once again, thank you very much, and I'm Calvin C from Hong Kong. Happy 2020.